What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to my vlog. Lovely evening, no? Lovely Sunday evening for a drive. I realized that I haven't really give you guys any information on what I've done to my car, like modification wise. You've always seen I've done videos, working on the car, doing stuff like that. Today's video is a short little video. I decided to give you a little list of stuff that I've done to the car, modification that I've done to the car. I realized that it's been a while now since I've been showing you this car, doing stuff to it and all of that, but I've never really summarized and tell you all the little things that I've done to the car, modifying it wise. Alright, so today's video is dedicated to just showing you stuff that I've done to the car. It's a 2000 Toyota Celica, and I've had it for about probably about 7-8 years now. So it's been a while, and surely I've done quite a few little things to it, on and off. So I just want to share it to you guys. So if you like this kind of video, touch the like button, guys. Give me a thumbs up and share the video. Let others can basically get into what I do here. As you can see, I do car stuff, DIY car stuff, engine work, body work, suspension work, all of that. But it's all DIY, guys. Alright, yes guys, so as I was saying, it's a 2000 Toyota Celica, and I have it for about 7 to 8 years now, if I'm counting right. Yeah, somewhere around there. But during the time of me owning this car, I actually done quite a few little cosmetic change to it, there and there, guys. So today is just a little short video which I want to show you list of things that I've done to the car. First and foremost, as you can see, this color is actually a wrap vinyl that I've done to the car. Over the years, I think I might have wrapped my car quite a few times. So this is the last one, which is just the other day. As you can look back in a previous video where I stripped off the wrap I had on it and put a new one on it. This is a new wrap. It's called Galaxy Gray, and as you can see, it has a touch of gold in it. And along with that wrap, I basically, just give it some, what I call it now, gold touch at the same time. Like, I put my the GTS, it's a GTS Celica with the 2ZZ. So I give it a little, vinyl touch there, and also a pink strip line with the gold just running from one end to the next. Also, what I've done, guys, is wrap my recently I bought these TRD side skirt, and I wrapped in carbon fiber. Today, guys, the car is a little bit dirty because I wanted to go to the car wash. I stopped by the car wash, but it was very full, and I just wanted to do this video for you guys. So that's recent TRD side skirt, which I wrap in the carbon fiber. I also recently bought these rims, the 17, and right now I'm wearing on them 225 45 17 tires. Right, it's triangle, not much too flashy, but they're good enough. Right, so that's another modification I have there. When I bought the car, I had the stock headlight on it, which was pretty terrible because I guess, guys, over time, these plastic lights from whichever manufacturer, it doesn't matter who, once you have them for a period of years and they're in the sun, they're getting some night dew and sun at the same time, they're going to burn out. So I recently bought these pair of headlights, and they're a little bit customized, not so much deep. They have a little LED right there, and then the halo and stuff like that. So that's another modification I have on there recently. Okay, so another recent modifying, guys, is this TRD wing. It's actually a TRD replica ring that I bought recently, and install it onto the car. But for a very long time, I had a makeshift wing on there. I'm going to put up a clip here that I had for a very long time, which I made for my own self, with my own hand, designed it, cut it out. So it's been a while, and I've always wanted to actually have the car looking like a complete OEM, right? So that's how I decided to purchase this TRD replica and have it on the car. Well, there's another addition to this, which is it's a kind of a ducktail spoiler, which I had to the top of that because I had it before I bought the spoiler, and you know, I just don't want to waste it. So I said, you know what, I'm going to put it on top of there. It looks pretty good, guys, you know, if I could say that. Tell me in the comment what you think. Do you think this is fitting for it? It's a body spoiler, and then I put a little ducktail on top of it. You can tell me if you think that is okay. Alright, another modification, guys, that I also copped recently is the diffuser, the rear diffuser, right? It's called the back bumper Valanche. I've always wanted an original, and recently I bought this along with the bumper. So now I can tell you that I'm feeling very good about it because it's now looking exactly like a real OEM TRD look Celica. When I just bought the car, I also changed the muffler, which I have some, to be honest with you, I don't know the brand, but it's been a good muffler so far, and I've been having it on for a while now. It's not all that great, but it do the job. Alright, guys, so that is basically the modification I've done outside. Right now it's completely wrapped, as you guys can know. And the inside modification I've done on the inside, guys, is these red trims. So when I recently, not so long ago, I pull off all these door trim, the under section, and I spray them red. So as you can see, my interior has a red theme. These seats, well, I had also wrapped over these seats in red and black, as you can see there. However, I think over time they have been worn out. Well, not so much the passenger one, but the driver one. So what I did was I purchased this set of seat cover, and I just cover them up, and it kind of brings off the car, if I could say that. You know, it just makes the car look really, you know, up to date with these seats. And as you can see, they are also now burning out, which means I have to look another pair of them, or what I really want, guys, is to get a pair of bucket seat. I've been looking around, but I haven't really come up on a reasonable price one as yet, but I shall be looking, right? So those are some of the modification I've done to the car. Also, over the years, I've changed maybe 2 or 3 different Android radio, because you know it comes with the stock radio there. And I'm a person like this. I like my, you know, not being so normal. So I've purchased Android radio in the past, which is the vertical one, and this one I've purchased recently, which is the 360. I can actually I can turn it that way, and I can turn it straight way. Well, for this car, I don't know, for some reason I love having it this way. Even when you're watching video though, I turn it back the other way, because you know the video is more proper lineage that way. But yes, guys, this is some of the modification I've done to the car. Not so much, yeah. So that's it, guys. And so the sun is going down, and maybe you can get a better look at the car right now. that's it, guys. That's just a short video of, you know, just the most recent modification I've done to the car. Over the period of time I have the car, I've done quite a lot. Like things, all different kinds of things I've done to the car, but these are the most recent. So thank you for watching the video, guys. You know, give us a thumbs up as I said, and catch you in the next one.